Good afternoon. In fact, and now we so asida ye obade nyankopon de ye dana si because me say de me hu obi a me dana si apart from no because the oye no e de ogusu ye ne ade no. In fact, nyame aye bi ogusu ye bi. Enye se nyankopon beba no de sika be hye wo botom nko a na eche se nyame ehira wo. Me a me ka say in fact meje me ho de se nyame ehira me. Pa. Enu nti ene yemfa ye ho share adensa. Na yemfa ye topic ni nto ho na topic we wa ho. Ebe wusu bibi. Nanso de nyankopon pe na oye nti ye beka ho asem. Ebe wusu bibi. Serious one. Oh, shiro ni asase ye fo sabat nyankopon tumi ra papa. Ene wie asida ye wodie ayeye ye wodie wachi ni wanim obi biare ni ho odomfo papa ye de ye ho hye wonsa wo ye moboje ye firi ye mirato mo fa ye bone kyeye ma wotumi enkyerɛkyerɛ ye kwan fa wo kanea no ntu ye nim sɛde atamfo no entumi ma ya kwan tene no enyera mfiri ye ne so fa wotumi boye ho ban na ma wabɔfo mbɛseresera ya bre nyina papa ye bompa ya tie ye na ye bisade ma ye ewo odoba Messiah ni dim ni wadom kesiye nti. Amen. And a topic we one of the deepest one and just have been revealed about some few minutes ago by the Holy Spirit. So we will talk about it. And they say there are 3 divine persons who has ever passed through this land, which is called the land of living earth. 3 divine people. 3 divine people who has ever been on this earth. When we talk about divine, for you to be able to become divine, say, wo oyobia nipa wasasi we su ni nyina wo yesurunku esi obi biara wasasi we su a na eyade ba ko bi pe na ebetumi dia ma wo sa title no eni se oba ni bema anka omo ho ambom e do mo wo That is the only way you can be divine. The only way to be divine is unless there was no an action of sex performed before you were born. There was not activities of sexual movement before you were born. So when God created everything and did everything to be possible for us, He made sure He made Himself, which is me, which is you, which is called Adam. There were no sexual activities performed at the time of Adam. So the very first person ever on this planet, as the stories of Bible and other people, the Christianity is involved in this issue. The very first divine person I can point or know is Adam. The very first divine person. On kron ni anka nyankopon di kan bo no ewa asase we issue. Okronkron ni Nyankopon ye den edi ono ankasa ne hume etu ni mu. Okronkron ni edi kan a ya have sex ansa ye wo no. Ye ni obi ankoda ansa ye wo no. No ye kronkron o ye Nyankopon sesu. Nyankopon su ni sesuo ene ni suban. Ye frɛ no Adam. So that is the very first divine person. Okronkron ni odi kan ba asase we su wo Nyankopon di mu no. Ye frɛ no Adam. We nti na eye na mfumsuo bi ba wo ho anase bone bi ba wo ho a. Eye a entwe wo ho amfiri Nyankopon nsem. Entwe wo ho amfiri Nyankopon nkyɛn. Because omo a Nyankopon di kan edi ono ankasa ne sunsum aye sunsum kronkron a nsuo mframa bibi biara mfra emo na afiri ono Nyankopon tumi mu kura no. Omo tumi feliye abra na omo tu Nyankopon anamo. Eno nti se wo kodi boni bi anase fumsuo bi ba wo ho a kai hunu se nyame osun esi samfumsuo na aba wo ho no eno no waye ready se wo gitum se fumsuo bi aba wo ho eno nti obepa ne chewo na wakọ nanim dwantua na wasere bonifacha ono Nyankopon di bechewo odi bechewo. Let's go to the second divine person. You see, there is no way positive and positive will ever work together to make something good. No, this is a whole fact. Okay? Positive and positive will never do something that will be better. They will either destroy what they were trying to do, or the thing may not happen at all. So sin has come into this world to help us, to help God also to balance the world with the good people and bad people. So when you really want to talk about sin, I don't want to go there, but this is based on fact, not about what you like or what you want to hear. Number one can be called woman. Yeah. Sorry. Because wherever, you see, people bring so many other companies into your country and they name them according to who bring it. Due to what happened back then, it continues and graduates and upgrade with now currently with sensors and technologies. Yehwe nipa otosumienu a oye divine person ye frɛ no Hawa. Chika sama ye frɛ no Hawa. Abrofo kasa no say ye frɛ no Eve. Na o hwɛ Eve na obehwɛ evil a nanka ya kyere ye mu kesiye but yankɔ hɔ too much. Uhwɛ Eve a sama ka kyerɛ wo say according to the other company ne buy to me the din a register company no meboa enti ohwɛ abrofo no kasa na ye frɛ no Eve na you heard the completion of that Eve na it simply means evil. Evil. Pepacho. Enye mi o word no. Enye mi a nyame na meka eye word no. Now, so this evil person, which was also a divine person, have been created by God without sex. This person. This is why you always have to submit to God wherever that anything sin come into your way, because God is the one who created it and he knows how to deal with it. That's what I want to mean. So the second divine person ever on the planet before Jesus was Eve. There was no activities of sex. There was nothing like that to be able to bring Eve in God's will into an existence. Bibi eni hosa. Hawa na ye ka ne ho asem no. Ono na otoso mienu a oye okronkron ni anyankopon bo no abra. Obi ni obi ankoden hie onyim bia nsa. Omo ba asase we isu. Obi ni obi ankohie mu. Nyankopon na ebo omo no no nyankopon di ne sunsun to omo. Afen na ya beduru the third divine person. Which people believe, which people did not believe. Whoever believes is the truth. Whoever doesn't believe, you can't blame him. He doesn't know. Teach him. Hello? Whoever who doesn't believe, it's not a problem. He doesn't know. So you teach him. You that knows, teach him. Who doesn't know? So I don't blame people who say we don't believe God, we don't believe Jesus, we don't believe Messiah, we don't believe that. Hold your peace. I got you covered. You must come for an introduction. I have to introduce him for you. Because you don't know him. How can, yes, I understand. I believe it that you don't know him. But until you got something to do with him or somebody introduce you to him, then I will be glad that you know what we are talking about here. He's a powerful being. In fact, by the mentioning of his name, which is the third divine person, if I really want to do this video to the maximum point that it has to get to, then you will see the reason why he became the third divine person and the last divine person who will ever come. The only way currently to born someone without, what do we call it? Without a sex, we have a way, right? But you must still use the sperm of the man to go and put in something without a woman. Or you must still take the sperm of the man to go and put in a woman without a man, which is something that occurs physically. Hello? Which is something that occurs physically. Still, there is a connection between whatever that you did for those things to come together. There was still a connection. You have to bring something from somewhere, add it to something from somewhere to become to do something. These people couldn't pass through those processes. That is why they are the divine people. And the part 2 of this video will come, whereby we will go to the story how Jesus has become the divine person ever and how he will remain to become the divine person ever. But I just want to remember you that that is the third divine person in the world. The third one, Jesus. Nobody will ever come like him and nobody will come again. All of us, we will become man by man and preach the word of gospel through the wisdom he has given to us. May the Lord bless.